Here's problem 2 from the 2005 AMC 8. Carl bought 5 folders from Pay A Lot at a cost of $2.50 each. Pay A Lot had a 20% off sale the following day. How much could Carl have saved on the purchase by waiting a day? The choices are $1, $2, $2.50, $2.75, and $5. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. First, find how much Carl paid in total. 5 folders at $2.50 each is 5 times $2.50, which equals $12.50. The savings come from the 20% off sale. 20% of $12.50 is 0.20 times $12.50, which equals $2.50. So by waiting a day, Carl could have saved $2.50. The answer is $2.50, which is choice C.